All right. As you see, in the shop, back home. I did record an intro and an outro at GridLife. Didn't really like either one of them. So, doing one now. So, what you're about to see is a montage of everything that I recorded sitting on the sidelines, helping my buddy Ryan out, being his pit crew for Time Attack when he was doing that. That was Friday, Saturday. I got on track Sunday. We'll probably cut to a little bit of me talking about what I did to the car, gutted it, and all kinds of stuff. So let's go ahead and get to the montage. Here you go. This is what GridLife's all about. It's a fun time. All right, so awesome time. GridLife isn't paying me or anything, but the GTLC, that is some of the best racing, hands down. They're only 50-minute races, so it's super fast-paced. It's awesome to watch. But now we're gonna get into me being behind the wheel. Here's some of that. I got on track. Wasn't able to run the times I was hoping to. I think the car's starting. The motor's tired. I don't think it's broken, but after my last couple of events that I've gone to, it just doesn't quite seem like it's got the power. So let's get to that. Here's some onboard. quite the time that I wanted. This is at a 201.13, so really wanted to get sub 2. Thank you to, I think his name's Dave. I'm really bad. Comment below because you said you follow me. He showed me how I can actually remove the front A-pillars and take all that stuff out, or the plastics and stuff, to where I can actually get the curtain airbag out. I didn't do it. I thought about doing it, got a little lazy. Just, I'm at the track to have a fun time. I do need to do better at videotaping some stuff. I really like the way that montage came out earlier, so I need to do more of that stuff to where I can clip stuff together. But my second to last session, I actually took a passenger out with me. So, I mean, that, as my buddy Ryan says, getting people involved and getting people in the car is super fun. It was awesome having that guy with me. So I'm going to put in a little bit of stuff here of him riding along with me. And I think his name was John. But that was super awesome. It was great. Awesome experience having him in there. Like, he was super happy, and, you can hear all of his stuff. But also, you will notice I'm catching a Type R, and he's not pointing me by because I'm not fast enough down the straights, but I blow him away through everything else. Be a good person. If somebody's riding your ass, point them by. Even if you're faster in the straight line, I'm faster in the corners. Point me by in the twisties. You won't see me by the time we get to turn 8. I promise. But here's that ride along. Here's probably cut it up a little bit because there's a lot of laps that I ran with him. But here's that.
white Civic. That's the answer. Wow. Wow.